Greetings to all judges. In this particular video, we are going to learn how to add new words and phrases in your Dragon Legal software. This feature will help you to add new words which you use it on your day-to-day basis, but it is not there in your vocabulary. So let's quickly see how it is done. Open Microsoft Word. Namaskaram. Now I spoke a word Namaskaram which is not there in the legal dictionary. Now I'll show you how to add this particular word. Select that. After giving this command, you can simply click on spell that mode and type the correct word. And then you have to train it for a couple of times. Namaskaram. Namaskaram. Now let's see whether it has trained itself or not. New line. Namaskaram. There you go. So this is one of the way you can add your own words into your standard Dragon legal vocabulary. However, if you still feel that you need more help, you can always get in touch with our Bombay exclusive service support team. The details will be given below. New line. Insert service support details. Thank you.